Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make a zigzag pattern using vertical lark's head knots. This is a great alternative to using double half hitch knots if you want to change it up, or if you find yourself struggling to tie that other knot, you can use this instead. Let's get started. Start by attaching 3 cords to a dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Take the cord all the way on the far left, and with this cord we're going to tie it around the next 2 cords using a vertical lark's head knot. So just take that cord and send it over the 2 it's next to, send it around, pull it through the loop, and then pull it nice and tight. Now take that same cord behind the 2 cords, twist it around, through the loop, and pull it tight. It will look like a lark's head knot coming off to the side. Now we're going to take the next cord to the left and we're going to tie it around the next 2 cords using the same knot. Now take the next cord on the left and tie it around the next 2 cords. And we're just repeating this step, moving downwards to the right, always using the next cord to tie the next knot. Once you've tied your 4 vertical lark's head knots, we're going to do the same process, but this time we're going to be working from right to left. Okay, so take that cord all the way on the far right and tie it around the 2 cords it's next to. Sending it over to form your loop, around and through, pulling that nice and tight, then take it behind, around, and through. Take the next cord on the right around the next 2 cords and just repeat. Now we work once again, moving left to right. Just like that. Now our zigzag pattern using vertical lark's head knots is complete. You can keep repeating this pattern over and over again until you have reached the desired length, and of course you can add more ropes across your dowel rod to make this pattern bigger. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.